YouTube. Make you famous.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
My bad, bro.
Go.
What is going on, guys? Dallas here with the video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're back from my subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you, and I appreciate you watching this video. This is going to be, I guess, a walkthrough or a talk through of my rolling session from last week. I just didn't have time to edit it, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to record over it because my phone, my microphone was a little weird. Here you see me doing a little guillotine choke. I'm trying to get my legs over. You see me using my hands to posture his hips up. Me getting like a underhook over, and then here I got it like really quick. I was actually surprised I had it pretty tucked in pretty tight. So yeah, I've been working on that. I've been trying to get really good with my my triangles as well. I think my explosiveness on my hips aren't as good as they need to be. But of course, it takes time. I'm a white belt, so you see it. I grabbed the ankle really good with that. I'm just really learning to be as patient as I possibly could. I'm trying to use my weight and just press in. I'm 230 pounds now. Got the knee over. I'm trying to be patient. The coach is telling me to put like my head on the mat if I'm trying to escape. So that's what you saw me doing a little bit earlier. Do I get this, Kimura? I'm not sure if I get this. No. Yeah, I figured I wasn't gonna get it, so I got out of it really quick. I'm noticing when I get on the top, I don't have that many things in my belt as far as like options that I use. I feel like I do a lot better from the guard. So I don't know. I was gonna attempt a super sloppy armbar, but the top leg wasn't crossed up over correctly, so that's how he kind of reversed me. And he pretty much got me the same thing today. I didn't record it, but Austin is a beast. I really like rolling with him. He has like super good pressure. You see me doing like this body triangle a lot. It's one of my favorite things. I like to squeeze super tight, but I don't like to waste all my energy with this because I can gas myself out. But yeah, my opponents usually hate it because my legs are pretty tight. So yeah, I hug on pretty tight. You see me here. The coach also was telling me when I have my my legs this tight, I don't have any options besides controlling him. So I'm keeping him controlled, but at the same time, I'm just pretty much here just trying to catch his breath. You see him kind of wasting his energy, but I'm just hanging out here, and it's really easy for me. I can hang out here for the longest. So that's pretty much what you see me doing here. Just actually edited the video because I had that body triangle on for about a minute, and I really wasn't doing much. So you see me open it up here, and if you look really closely, you see how much space I have because my legs are so long. That's why I like that body triangle, because I feel like I have so much more pressure on them. But you know, I don't have too many options here. But yeah, I'm really loving rolling. I really want to start going to more open mats. But this is pretty much the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More videos coming soon because we gonna get it in. Oh yeah, we gonna get it in.
Back in the guard. Figure four your legs like a triangle. Yeah, Dallas. That is one of the best close guards you can do. Squeeze your legs right there. Yeah.
Make them
Try to posture up, Austin. Hard, isn't it?